What's up, everyone? It's 4th of July. I'm here with my Lola. Say happy 4th of July, Lola.
Happy 4th of July!
Hi. She wants me to take a picture of her, pretend like she's barbecuing with me, but I'm actually the one barbecuing. Today we are cooking Korean for dinner. I'm currently cooking Korean barbecue on the grill. My sister is making japchae and my mom is fixing up all the side dishes. Super excited for that. I'm about to take my Lola's pictures with her iPad. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy 4th of July.
Galing.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Thing is a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.